Hey Curly Teas! Today we're making a smoothing AHA 10% gel cream for the skin. Glycolic acid is an AHA, but be extremely cautious when handling any acid. Please take the proper precautions to prevent and quickly clean up any possible spills. The first step is to gel the water. Trust me on this one. If you're using the ingredients I'm using, it's best to gel the water first as your first step in this entire process. Cepinov EMT10 is a polymer that's easy to use, assuming you add it during the correct time in your formulating process. Add it into the water before adding anything else to the water so it can hydrate using all of the available water in your recipe. You will need to use a stick blender and pulse it if you're using a stainless steel cup like I am. Now keep doing that until the gel looks smoother and more incorporated. This is the base gel cream to which you will add the rest of your ingredients. In a separate cup, measure out the additional ingredients to be added. You'll notice the gel cream appears noticeably smoother and shinier when you pour it into your final container. This particular result was only possible because I gelled the water first and gradually added the additional ingredients to it. Trust me, I've done it in a different way and it didn't turn out the way that this turned out. So by the time you're actually seeing this video, it's been more than a full month, more like 2, since I've been using this AHA 10% gel cream on my skin. My skin is already used to higher percentages of AHA creams and serums. Like, if you find that you can't handle this amount, please use a lesser percentage when making it. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including full ingredients lists, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.